So you're wanting to start bow fishing and you're questioning, should I use a sight or should I not use a sight? When you bow fish, it's 100% instinctive. And here's the reason why. The fish, 9 out of 10 times, are moving. They're not sitting perfectly still. Then on top of that, you're never the exact same distance from the fish. One shot might be 10 foot, the next shot might be 20 feet. On top of that, you're shooting a low poundage bow, so you have a pretty good arc coming out of the bow. You know, you're shooting real heavy arrows, so we're not dealing with a lot of good trajectory here. And we always use the example of if you're in your house or in your office and you wad up a piece of paper and throw it in your trash can, if you do it about 10 times, you kind of know whether you're standing here or if you're standing there or you're standing there, how much you kind of got to loft that ball of paper to get in the trash can or throw a football or hit a golf ball. Anything that you do like that that's instinctive helps you in bow fishing. And most of the guys that come out don't have a problem doing it. So when it comes to questions of sights, I just say leave them at the house and just shoot more. Get the hang of it and you got it.